Google Keep just broke your reminders. If you use Google Keep for daily reminders, recurring to-do lists, or medication alerts, there's a good chance they've stopped working. Without any warning, Google migrated all Keep reminders into Google Tasks, and the transition is a mess. Here's what's happened, how to fix it, and where to go if you're done. Google silently migrated all Keep reminders into Google Tasks. Notes that used to remind you directly through Keep now require the separate Google Tasks app to send notifications. If you don't have tasks installed, your reminders simply stop firing. No notification, no warning that anything changed. People woke up one morning and their daily reminders were just gone. 5 things broke in this migration. Notifications stop completely if Google Tasks isn't installed. Repeating reminders now show the old note content, not your updated version. The Keep Reminders widget no longer shows anything. Archive notes no longer automatically surface when their reminder fires. And location-based reminders have been completely removed with no replacement. Here's the most frustrating part. You update a Keep note every day. Maybe it's your daily to-do list or shopping list. But when the reminder fires through tasks, it shows the original version of the note from when you first created it, not today's version. So you get a notification with stale, outdated information that's completely useless. The simplest fix is to install Google Tasks from the Play Store. This restores your reminder notifications. Once installed, enable notifications for the Task app in your phone settings. Your Keep reminders should start showing up in your notification bar again. It's annoying that you need a separate app for something that worked natively, but it does restore the basic functionality. For repeating reminders, you'll need to rebuild them as repeating tasks in Google Tasks. Create a new task, set it to repeat daily or weekly, and add a link to your Keep note in the task description. When the reminder fires, tap the link to open your note. It's a workaround, not a fix. The old one-tap workflow is now a 2-step process. When a reminder fires in tasks, look for the From Keep button inside the task. Tapping it should take you back to the original Keep note. However, some users report this doesn't always work. Sometimes it opens Keep's homepage instead of the specific note. Google seems to be improving this, but it's still inconsistent. If you're done with Keep, TickTick is the closest replacement. It has notes built directly inside tasks, so you don't need 2 separate apps. Recurring reminders work with full customization. It syncs across Android, iOS, web, and desktop. The free tier is generous enough for most people. It's what Keep should have evolved into. More options worth considering. Notion is incredibly powerful for notes, plus reminders, plus databases, but takes setup. Microsoft OneNote plus To Do works seamlessly if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Standard Notes is end-to-end encrypted and open source for the privacy conscious. Quillpad looks and feels almost identical to Keep, with reminders that actually work. If you're de-Googling, the best combo is Standard Notes for encrypted notes plus tasks.org for reminders. Both are open source, both are free. Standard Notes has a 100-year longevity pledge. Tasks.org supports CalDAV Sync, so you can use it with any calendar server. No Google dependency, your data stays yours. The community is not happy. One user said their daily medication reminder was turned into a task, breaking the workflow that helps them with executive function. Another said it feels like Google broke something that worked perfectly just to force people into more Google products. Multiple users with ADHD and executive dysfunction have reported that this change just disrupted critical daily routines. Your reminders shouldn't need a workaround. Try the 3 fixes. If they don't solve it for you, the alternatives are ready. TickTick for the closest Keep replacement. Standard Notes plus tasks.org for privacy. Share this with anyone who uses Keep reminders. They may not realize why there's stopped working.